Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're looking at a product designed to save parents hours of daily work. This is the Momcozy KleanPal Pro Baby Bottle Washer, Sterilizer and Dryer, an all-in-one cleaning machine meant to take over one of the most time-consuming baby care chores, washing and sterilizing bottles, pump parts, and everyday baby essentials. Right away, the biggest benefit of the KleanPal Pro is convenience. Instead of scrubbing bottles by hand, worrying about residues, or boiling parts on the stove, this machine handles the entire cycle automatically. It washes, sterilizes, and dries everything in one go. That means less time in the kitchen and more time resting, working, or actually bonding with your baby. The washing system uses a powerful spray pattern designed specifically for bottle shapes and pump components, ensuring thorough cleaning even in narrow spaces. No leftover milk film, no hidden buildup, the internal jets handle what manual washing often misses. Then the sterilization phase uses high-temperature steam, eliminating harmful bacteria and ensuring the highest level of hygiene for daily feeding equipment. Once it's done sterilizing, the KleanPal Pro transitions into a heated drying cycle. This avoids moisture buildup, prevents mold growth, and means your bottles come out fully dry, ready to use immediately or store safely. You don't have to wipe or air dry anything. Capacity is another advantage. The chamber is large enough for multiple bottles, pacifiers, pump parts, and small feeding accessories all at once. For parents who pump frequently or juggle multiple feedings per day, this makes a huge difference in keeping up with the washing workload. The interface is simple, clean, and easy to operate, which is a big plus when you're sleep-deprived or juggling tasks. Just load the parts, select a cycle, and walk away. It's truly a set-it-and-forget-it system. If you are looking for a baby care upgrade that reduces mental load and gives you back precious time, the Momcozy KleanPal Pro is one of the most practical investments you can make. Check it out below, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more daily tech breakdowns here on GadgetVerse.